This is what's going on, guys. Nor'easter going on. Pretty snowy out. Just give you guys an idea what's going on. A lot of snow here in the northeast. Got a nor'easter going in the northeast here. This is JD. There we go. Let's focus up there. Sorry about that. Pretty snowy. A lot of work tomorrow. There's all the snow out there. Pretty snowy out there. Show you what's going on. See what we got here. A lot of snow there. There's how high it is. Oh man. JD got a lot of work to do. Okay, catch you guys later. There's another shot of it. And went over to do my neighbors. Ran out of gas, so the machine cool off for a little while. Over there and there. Pretty high sign going so fast. Pretty high. Last time I seen snow like this was like 1978. That's what I recall. Moved quite a bit of snow today. Next day after the storm. There's some geese out here in the background.